All right, this is break number 613, 2014 Black Gold. A little bit of a throwback. Thought about putting this one in a mixer, but I don't know. I thought it might fill tonight, and it did by itself. I think I could put together a pretty cool mixer with 2015 Playbook, 2016 Gala, and 2017 Majestic. Have a 3-year mixer. That one I might be able to post tomorrow. If you're interested. I give me around $13.50, $14, one of those two, I think. Those 3 boxes. All right, one pack at a time here. It would probably be sometime, I'm posting early afternoon, and I won't be home in the mid-evening. We'd probably have to break it like after 9 my time, Central Time, if we filled it. Alright, I have no memory of how 2014 Black Gold comes out, so the first pack, we're just going to go right through the pack. Coming out with the metal card first, Alfred Morris team symbols, Washington Redskins, numbered out of 149. And that one going to Matt Vitagliano. Oh, it's Alfred Morris, by the way. These big thick ones. I don't know the supplies. So that is I'm gonna put it in a box for you. A little crate. Pack it in pretty well. Might have to do it for this one too. This one is a rookie gold standard Buccaneers shiny little metal thing. Nice rookie. 9 out of 10. Chris Saunders, I believe. Didn't you get a Joe Montana one of these? Whatever happened to that one? It looks like the same thing. 14K. Number 25. Enclosed is one piece of certified 14 karat gold. That's what it is. It's gold in there. Seems like a really nice card. I don't know if we read that on the Montana. Now I'm curious. Alright, next up is a big old relic. This one is a rookie patch auto of Asa Watson for the New England Patriots, numbered to 199. These black gold just, they destroy any top loader ideas I have. Can't find a price, huh? Maybe just look up 14 karat gold from this set and see if any other cards with the gold thing are selling. Well, now you got 2. For the Patriots, this one's going to Chad Gillis. Welcome to the breaks. Have a hit. I know, not a amazing player, but sometimes that happens. Doug Martin, number to 99. It's a shadow box for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Chris Saunders doubling up. Cooler base card than some of the other sets. The shadow boxes. Alright, that was pack 1. Let's go for pack number 2. I'm going to peek when I'm done here, Chris. I'm going to see if I see anything on eBay. Maybe nobody else knows how to sell them. I don't know the values of metals. Obviously, when I hear gold, it perks up my eyes. But what does the 14K really mean? 14 karat. I don't know. I think the shadow box is on the bottom. Let's pull that out first. It is Cordell Patterson for the Minnesota Vikings. Number to 199. That one will be going to Chad Gillis as well. And gold is up, huh? Next one up. Vikings doubling up. This one a team symbol of Anthony Barr. 4 out of 25 rookie team symbol on that. And like the other one, the other team symbol, have 3 cards to box up here. Three more cards left. We got an extra card. We got an extra shadow box is what it was. I'll pull that out from the bottom. For the Bears, Dick Butkus. Number to 99. No giggling. Chicago Bears, Chad Gillis. Having yourself a pretty good break. No monsters. But you're not skunking, that's for sure. Ray Rice gel bar, nice. Next card. I can't see who it is, but it's a dual auto. So I'm going to pull out this quad relic for the Tennessee Titans, Bishop Sankey. Nice looking card, number to 299. Alright, this one for the Titans is going to go to Greg Kudaback. I said Greg. Last card of the break. It's a dual auto. They're both going to one team. It is, that's pretty cool. For the Arizona Cardinals, rookie dual autograph, John Brown and Troy Nicholas. Number to 99. I don't know much about Troy Nicholas, but John Brown gets some PT anyway. He's a somewhat regular in that offense. Has a chance for more here soon. For the Cardinals, this one going to Chris Dunham. I don't like how that just fit. So we didn't get the monsters. Maybe on that Mike Evans. I don't know. Let's rewind him real quick. The dual auto for the Cardinals. John Brown, Troy Nicholas. Quad relic, Bishop Sankey, Titans. Shadow box, Dick Butkus, Bears. Shadow box, Cordell Patterson, rookie Vikings. And another one for the Buccaneers, Doug Martin. Rookie patch auto, Asa Martin for the New England Patriots. The metal cards for the Vikings. Team symbol, Anthony Barr. And for the Redskins, team symbol, Alfred Morris. We have the 14 karat gold, Mike Evans, rookie. I guess maybe that qualifies as a monster. I just don't know what to think. That 14 karat gold. I'm going to spend a moment seeing if anything pops up for just a regular 14 karat gold search. 14K, 2014 Panini, black gold. Let's see what happens. Well, I got a Peyton up for sale. Yeah, I don't know if they're gonna blow you away. Mike Evans not bad. No, I don't want completed. I want sold listings. John Elway out of 20 sold for 200. Aaron Rodgers out of 20 sold for 65. Those are the only two I see that have sold. Aaron Rodgers to John Elway, $65 to $200. It's quite a jump. Wasn't yours numbered out of 10? It's not an 18, is it? No, 9 out of 10. These are both numbered at 20. But they're saying 24 karat. No, that's a different card that says 24 karat gold. And Andrew Luck. Why would that one be so cheap compared to the others? I don't know. It's a tough call. There's not a lot to go off of, even for non-Mike Evans players. Might just hold on to it, or if you get crazy, put it for a bid or something. Put it for auction. I don't know. Those are tough ones. Alright guys, we'll have more tomorrow. I've got a little bit on hand. I also got a ship coming in. I do have a case of Clearly Authentic on the way. Clearly Authentic is a baseball product. And a case comes with 20 boxes. Each box has one encased autograph. And they're not buyback cards, they're like old original Topps cards. Alright, so the best way for me to ship this has been put a little bit in the bottom, put a penny sleeve down, a little bit of protection, put the card in, put penny sleeve on top, and then I'll put some of these fillers in there. There we go, that one's Buccaneers. Chris Saunders. Got 3 of them. I gotta figure it out. No problem. Alright, you guys have a good night. I'm just gonna finish taking care of these on here. They don't fit in the graded card sleeve bags too well. Kind of got to force it, but it keeps the box closed. Might need a pair of scissors to get it out. That one's Buccaneers, Chris Saunders. Chris Saunders, you're forcing me to rotate the box a little bit with that one. You got 2 of those packs coming. Those are crates. Can't remember what the other one was. Another thick card. Alright, Redskins card. Penny sleeve. Another sleeve. this one going to the Redskins. Matt Vitagliano. All right, and the other one. Vikings. Going to Chad Gillis. I'm going to add you to the box, Chad. So my separators work great. No card inside a top loader. I have a lot of top loaders being used up, but really nice separator. Oh yeah, the Fournette glove. Yeah, that's a nice one. No rush on the shipping. You ain't bothering me, Chris. Jeff Berry's got a full row. A row and a half. He's trying to push it. It don't matter. Some are big, some are small. Totally your call. I was just commenting. Chad Gillis. Between Chad Cole and Chad Horton. Alright, y'all. I'm off. Have a good night.